family, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and check out the channel. I'm pretty sure you are going to love it there, and if you do, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button to join this family. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. Today I'm here with this very potent hair growth oil. If you are experiencing hair loss, hair thinning, or if you just want to grow your natural hair in a healthy way, then keep watching to see how you can make this very powerful hair growth oil. I have all of my ingredients in a tray. I have my ashwagandha powder, my amla powder, rosemary, cloves, black seeds, fenugreek, and my hibiscus. So I'm going to be transferring all of these ingredients into a bowl, and that is where I'm going to be adding my oils. I'm going to be using my almond oil and my olive oil. Alright family, so it's time to add in the oil. I also forgot to mention that I'm using my grapeseed oil as well. So I'm going to be using 3 oils to make this hair growth oil, and they are the grapeseed oil, olive oil, and pure almond oil. Alright family, it's time to heat up the oil, and to do so, I'm going to be using the double boiler method. And what that means is you get a bigger pot, put some water in there, and then you get a smaller bowl or a smaller pot, and you're going to set the smaller pot or the smaller bowl into the bigger pot. If you like, you can put a cloth. If you don't, that is absolutely fine. So that's exactly what that means, okay, when I say the double boiler method. So family, I'm going to leave this on here for 30 to 35 minutes. After that, I'm going to allow my oil to cool down, and I'm going to be transferring it into my mason jar. So while the oil is on the stove top, you want to make sure that you are stirring, okay? Don't leave the oil unattended, especially if you have powder in it, because the powder is going to kick. It's just going to sit in the oil. So you want to stir it up. That way the oil is loose and all the nutrients are extracting into the oil. right, family, it has been a little over 48 hours. It is time to strain the oil. So while my oil sat in the cabinet, I went in periodically and shake up the oil. That way my powder is not just kick or it is not just sitting, all right? It is absolutely fine to do so. If you are going to be keeping the oil for an extended time, perhaps 24 hours, 48 hours, 7 days, 1 month, it's okay to go in there and shake it up a little bit and then you can just set it back down. All right, family. So now after my oil has sat down, it is time to strain the oil. And to do so, I'm going to be using a strainer with very small holes. That way the powder doesn't seep through. After straining the oil, I'm going to be adding in the rest of my ingredients. If you are loving this video so far, family, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and share your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. Have you used these ingredients here before? How well do you know these ingredients? I just want to hear from you. So go ahead and share that in the comment section. And if you haven't yet joined the family, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Keep watching, y'all. Y'all, it's time to add the last 3 ingredients, and they are my vitamin E oil, clove oil, and my tea tree oil. After adding these ingredients, this very potent hair growth oil is ready to be used. The hibiscus in this oil is going to help to thicken the hair, stop hair loss, prevent split ends, and promote hair growth. The ashwagandha powder is known to strengthen the hair and reduce hair fall. The amla powder is also known to strengthen your hair follicles and reduce hair fall as well. Usually, family, when my girls and I have on protective style, I would make my hair growth oil and my hair tonic. I will use these things and my hair moisturizer to keep our hair moisturized and to promote hair growth while we have on our protective style. When we take down our protective style, we don't get to experience a lot of breakage. All right, family, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you all for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Share this video with a friend, a neighbor, a loved one, anyone you think that is going to benefit from this video. Again, thank you all for stopping by. I'll catch you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Love you guys. Bye.